Hey everybody, just a quick video on this Panasonic AV-CCAM. Just want to show you, everything is in good working condition. Physically, it's very good. One of the reasons I'm doing this video is simply because you don't get enough pictures on eBay, so I just wanted to give a nice look at this, just in case anything's missed. In the pictures that I do. It does have some scratches and scuffs on it from normal use, but nothing that affects how this works. This also comes with 3 batteries altogether. I cannot verify how long the batteries last. They do hold a charge, but I did not test each battery for complete charge time on it. This does not have an additional microphone with it, just the built-in mics right there. There is also no lens cap on this, so please keep that in mind when purchasing. And it does come also with a 16 gigabyte SD card. And again, the purpose of this video is just to show you the actual condition of this. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask through the eBay questions on this item. And thanks for watching.